Hello and welcome. Today we are going to unbox my very first Tomica Limited Vintage Neo model. This one is Sujo Mitsuda's 400R. As some of you might know, this 400R by Mr. Mitsuda is quite rare. Um, I'm not quite sure how rare and how many were produced, but it's rare. You don't believe me? Look it up. And as I said, this is my very first TLVN model, so I'm very excited about this. And I can't really wait to open it. Some facts on Sujo Matsuda: he leads in wins. As far as I know, he still leads in wins and Super GT. He still holds that record. So yeah, let's go ahead and crack this open and see what it looks like inside. So yeah, let's talk about the box real quick. And this box, I mean, it looks premium already from the outside. This is the front, and then it's on the side. You can see the photo of the model there. The name of the car, Nismo 400R by Tomica. Yeah, same picture on all sides. And then on the back, I can't read Japanese, but here's Mr. Matsuda in his 400R in the picture. And some details about the R33 GTR. I can't read Japanese, unfortunately, so I can't translate this for you guys. Of course, this is an official licensed product by Nissan, produced by Tomica. And yeah, so I got the silver version, but Tomica also released a couple more, I think 4 now to be exact. They have a yellow, red, and they just released a purple, if I'm not mistaken, very recently. But of course, I opted to pick the silver one because I like Mr. Matsuda and what he does. So I decided to pick up his personal car. And then unique thing about this box, if you're used to Mini GT, Tarmac Works, Eno 64, you know what their boxes looks like. But this one, obviously, this is bigger, and there's a flap. You can open this, and you can actually see the model inside, and with some information about Mr. Matsuda. It's probably talking about the engine, the RBX GT2. Um, I think that's one of the things that makes the car unique because of this engine. 400 PS. I think this is equivalent to 400 horsepower. Some details, and like I said, I can't speak or read Japanese, unfortunately. So, but it's there. It's a nice touch. And then in here, you'll see the model, including inside the box. It comes with that plastic insert, which we're gonna take out right about now. Let's see. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. So inside the box, we have a box with the plastic insert. I think this is how you do it. Nothing in the back. Okay. So in between the plastic insert, there is a plastic layer that covers the car. And this is the very bottom of the insert with the model. Look at that. Beautiful. Wow. So I know some of the brands, some other manufacturers, or some brands are already carry this 400R, namely Pop Race. I do have a Pop Race model, which I'm planning to create a video on to compare this one. You've seen, like, I'm pretty sure you guys have seen, like, other videos comparing the two. But I like to see it for myself, like in person. From what I can see so far, watching other videos, I think the Tomitech version is the most accurate in terms of shape, wheels, um, uh, the headlights, and all that. So, so I'm very happy with this one already, from what I can see. As you can see on the wheels, you can see the Nismo printing on the right hand side. Rubber tires with threads. Tomitech or Tomica cars are typically actually uh, an excellent roller, similar to Hot Wheels, and uh, and they do have like a suspension, working full working suspension in the front and the rear. Gosh, I mean, holding this just feels premium, guys. This is why you pay a little bit extra to get a model like this, because of the working suspension, of course, rubber tires, um, and it's just there's a there's a heft to it. You know, it truly feels a premium. And the paint color also, look at that. It's metallic gray or silver. I'm not quite sure what the exact type of silver this is, but you can see it's like super shiny. I don't even have like an LED light here, and it shines. Look at that. It's so good. And also inside the wheels, you can see the brake rotors there. And I don't know if you guys can see the caliper. Um, yeah, it's in gray. It's on the left hand side here, right there. Yeah, so that's the side, right? The side mirrors, unfortunately, I mean, some Tomitech models, TLVNs, um, you actually have to glue the side mirrors, and some don't. I don't really know how they choose which model gets that treatment. Because I know some of the RX-7 that I've seen um, don't have the side mirrors. This one do, and I actually have another shipment coming. I bought a few more TLVN cars, which I'm can't wait to unbox. So this is my first one, because I figured, okay, let me buy one that I really like first. That for sure I'm gonna like, which is this car right here, and it's unique, and it's Mr. Matsuda's R33, right? So you can't go wrong. But yeah, let's talk about the front. Front looks absolutely gorgeous. You can see the headlights here, acrylic, and you can see the details inside the headlights. You can see that black outline around the headlights. That is super accurate. And see the GTR badge right there in the middle. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit here. Yeah, right there in the grill. Um, and typically for Tomitech or TLVNs, you don't they don't actually put like real um, plate numbers in front and back. But since this is a special edition and it's a personal car, Mr. Matsuda's personal car, they actually put his real plate number there in front and back. So going back in front, you see the some vents here, and they're actually, are they perforated? Oh my goodness. No, but I think they are. If not, that's very detailed. It actually looks like it's perforated. But down here, you can see the Nismo intercooler with the Nismo printing. And then on the bonnet, we have some venting in the middle there. And then the what's this? I don't see I don't see the wiper, the windshield wiper. I don't know if that is by design. Maybe it's somewhere down there. But yeah, I can't really see it. I don't see it. I don't know. Maybe that's by design. But anyways, here's the top view of the car. Super plain, super clean. Nothing too crazy there. Inside, it's a right-hand drive. So here's the driver's side. I don't know if you guys can see anything there, but it's black. Some detail on it. Um, but yeah, not too concerned about the details inside because they're 164. I'm not too crazy about, oh, if I don't see like the Nismo ship knob, then I'll go crazy. No, I don't care. As long as there's some detail there and it's the correct side for the wheel and all that, I'm good. Take a look at the back. The back looks absolutely correct from what I can tell. And the lights, um, they are acrylic. They are lined up. They're not crooked. See the GTR badge in the lower right. The Nissan badge in the perfectly centered, if you ask me. Um, got the wing. I think this is it's not carbon, is it? I can't tell if it's carbon, but it's gray, dark gray compared. So there's like a good contrast in the wing here, and then on the paint, the body paint, which is cool. And I do like. I'm a big fan of this stripe or this trim here with the 400R, and then there's like a line there. I always think that's such a nice touch for this car. It makes the car a little unique compared to other, R33s, R34s. And by the way, this R33 is by far my favorite GTR, not R34, R32. R33 is by far my favorite. Anyways, I already talked about the wheels, how good they are. Let's see the back. Oh yeah, we have the exhaust on the lower left here. Nothing too crazy there. It's painted silver. Um, and then on the bottom here, we have the Tomica or Tomitech. And you can see the car name down here as well. And also the scale, which is always nice. So this is absolutely crazy. I love this model so much. Yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Do you have this car? If you don't, how do you feel about this car? Would you buy it? I think I bought this for, I want to say 44 bucks US. I think it's really worth it. But yeah, let me know down in the comments. What do you think? Is this the best R33 in your opinion in 64 scale? For me, it is, but I still got to compare it to the Pop Race one. And I'm going to talk about the licensing thing on that Pop Race because I feel like I got fooled because I thought it was listed as fully licensed, but turns out a lot of people are saying that it's not fully licensed. So we'll see. Yeah, that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.